Hi there, did you know I can make my own food? I'm a plant, and I use something called photosynthesis to survive and grow. Let me show you how it works. To start, I need three main things: sunlight from the sun, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air. These ingredients are all around me. Inside my leaves, there are tiny green factories called chloroplasts, filled with a pigment called chlorophyll. This is what makes my leaves green and helps me capture sunlight. Using sunlight, I combine carbon dioxide and water in a chemical reaction. This reaction creates glucose, which is my food, and oxygen, which I release into the air for you to breathe. Look at me go, this process keeps me alive and growing. And guess what? Photosynthesis also helps keep the air clean and full of oxygen. Photosynthesis isn't just important for me, it's vital for all living things. Without it, there'd be no oxygen for animals and humans, and life on Earth wouldn't survive. That's how I make food using photosynthesis. Next time you see a plant, remember, we're hard at work making food and oxygen for everyone. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed learning about photosynthesis. I'd love to hear from you. What topic should I explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below and help support this small but growing channel. Every like and subscription means the world to me. Let's grow together, just like plants do. See you in the next video.